You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome to Vocal Technologist. Today we're going under the hood, looking at the forces, the ones shaping our digital lives right now. We're talking online fads, AI, and marketing, how we actually connect with brands, all of it.
And the mission for you listening is really to pull out the key insights. We're digging into consumer trends, marketing plays, AI's role, basically getting to the why behind what's happening.
Yeah, understanding the why. Okay, let's jump in. You might have noticed this Labubu craze.
Oh, yeah. The little collectible trinkets.
Exactly. Gen Z is like all over them. And it's more than just buying a toy, right? They customize them, display them, share them online. It's a whole social thing.
It really is. It's part status, part aesthetic. And it's fueled by, the usual suspects, limited editions, influencers, platform hype.
Right.
What's really interesting to me is how it taps into those deep emotional buying habits. It echoes older fads, think Beanie Babies.
Oh, totally.
But digital culture just puts everything on. Fast forward. These aren't just collectibles. They're immediate lifestyle markers now, identity signals.
That makes sense. And speaking of hype, Prime hydration.
Yeah.
Wow.
Right. What a case study.
The Logan Paul and KSI effect was massive, people paying hundreds for a bottle. It was all about that artificial scarcity, wasn't it? Viral stunts galore.
Absolutely. But here's the catch, and it connects to the bigger picture.
Okay.
While that influencer push created insane visibility, like, boom, overnight success, Prime's appeal really tanked once it was just everywhere.
Yeah, you see it on every shelf now.
Exactly. It's a huge reminder that viral moments are one thing, but turning that into lasting brand value, that takes more. It needs, fundamental product quality or loyalty built over time, consistent demand, not just eyeballs and buzz.
So that hype can just vanish.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you're a business, especially B2B where things are a bit more deliberate, how do you build something real?
Well, that's where strategy gets critical. For B2B SEO, it's less about broad reach and more about precision. You want to target high-intent keywords.
High intent. Like what specifically?
Think terms that show someone is further down the buying funnel. Category keywords like best project management software, comparison keywords like Salesforce versus HubSpot, or even jobs to be done terms.
Focusing on the problem they're trying to solve.
Precisely. Those kinds of searches, they can convert up to 20 times better than just general traffic. Usually see results in, say, 3 to 6 months, maybe faster with good promotion.
Okay, smart targeting. But then there's the elephant in the room, AI.
Oh, yeah.
The numbers are wild. Traffic from generative AI search is growing, 165 times faster than traditional organic search.
Yeah.
That's huge.
It's completely reshaping discovery, and it explains why these AI visibility tools are suddenly popping up everywhere.
Right, because companies need to know if they're even showing up in AI answers.
Exactly. They're now tracking brand mentions, their share of voice, the sentiment within the responses from ChatGPT, Google's AI overviews, Perplexity, you name it.
Using tools like, you mentioned Otterly, RankRaven.
Yeah, Otterly, RankRaven, Profound. They're basically doing SEO, but for AI outputs, scraping and analyzing what the AI says about your brand.
And Google's obviously not sitting back. They're putting ads in AI mode now.
Mm-hmm. Sponsored text, shopping ads, showing up in banners within the AI experience. Plus, they've rolled out something called locations of interest, targeting for their AI Max campaigns.
Locations of interest, how's that different?
It's pretty clever. It lets advertisers target people based on places they're interested in, not just where they physically are.
So if I'm in Chicago planning a trip to Tokyo.
Exactly. Advertisers can show you ads relevant to Tokyo, like hotels or tours, even though you're still in Chicago. It's targeting based on intent, much more precise.
Got it. Okay, one last big area, data. We're all swimming in it, right? But are we tracking the right stuff?
That is such a crucial question. I mean, are we just collecting numbers, or are they telling us something useful?
Yeah, the dreaded vanity metrics.
Right. The rule should be only track a metric if a change in it actually prompts you to do something different.
Yeah, give me an example.
So instead of just tracking total website visits, which is often vanity track, say the conversion rate on your key product page, if that drops below your target, you need to investigate the page, the offer, the traffic source. It triggers action.
Whereas just seeing visits go up or down might not tell you what to fix.
Exactly. Every metric costs time and resources to set up and monitor. It has to earn its keep. Otherwise, it's just noise. A small set of really actionable metrics beats a giant dashboard of ignored data any day.
That makes a lot of sense. Focus on what matters.
Then, yeah.
Wow, okay. We've covered a lot ground from Gen Z collectibles and viral brand flames to the nuts and bolts of B2B SEO, the AI visibility race, and finally getting disciplined about metrics.
Yeah, and I think the big takeaway is just the sheer speed of change and how people find and interact with brands now. Businesses really need strategies that go beyond just getting noticed, strategies that actually build understanding and drive, measurable results.
Absolutely. So a final thought for everyone listening to chew on. As things keep accelerating, with AI getting smarter, how might the next big shift force us to completely rethink what brand loyalty even means in this age of instant everything?
Spoken Tech for your ears.